0.0. Is the global economy on the brink of a major rebound, or is a silent storm gathering? We're navigating a minefield of high interest rates, persistent inflation fears, and rising geopolitical tensions. At the same time, an AI-driven boom promises unprecedented productivity. In this video, we'll cut through the noise to give you a clear, data-driven look at the world economy today. 0.20. First, the global snapshot. Growth is steady but slow. The IMF projects the global economy will grow by around 3.1% in 2026, while the World Bank anticipates a more modest 2.7%. This divergence shows the uncertainty we face. In better news, global inflation has continued its downward trend, falling to an average of 3.6%, a significant drop from the painful peaks of recent years. In response, major central banks like the US Federal Reserve and the European Central Bank have paused their aggressive rate hikes, signaling a wait-and-see approach. The world is holding its breath to see if they can engineer a soft landing without triggering a major downturn. In 120. So what's truly driving the economy right now? Three key forces are at play. First, the ongoing effect of tight monetary policy. High interest rates have successfully cooled inflation, but they also act as a brake on business investment and consumer spending. Second, the economic performance of China remains a global wild card. While it has avoided a hard landing, its recovery has been uneven, creating ripples across international supply chains and commodity markets. And third, the AI revolution. This isn't just hype. We are seeing real productivity gains as artificial intelligence is integrated into everything from logistics to drug discovery, offering a powerful tailwind for long-term growth. 220. How does this complex picture impact the markets? For investors, it translates to cautious optimism. Global stock markets have shown resilience, but volatility remains high as traders react to every new piece of data. The biggest risk remains a resurgence of inflation, which would force central banks to raise rates again. Geopolitical flashpoints and high levels of government debt also pose significant threats. The bull case points to a successful soft landing, where growth continues and inflation fades. The bear case, however, warns that a recession is still a very real possibility if consumer demand falters or a new shock hits the system. 330. To summarize, the global economy is in a delicate balancing act. Growth is present but fragile, inflation is down but not out, and new technologies offer both promise and uncertainty. Navigating this landscape requires a clear understanding of the data. Staying informed is no longer just an advantage. It's an absolute necessity. This is general information only and not financial advice. For personal guidance, please talk to a licensed professional.